Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a background image to a Tradingview chart. This is a great way to personalize our workspace or use visual references while analyzing the market. On our support chart dashboard in Tradingview, to insert an image in the background, all we need to do is click this option. This image or insert option may sometimes appear as the letter T. We just need to click on this content. Under this content, we should click the image option. Now we just need to upload the image we want to add. Let's do that here. Next, let's click this. We can adjust the transparency so the image is not too obvious. Just bring it down so it does not distract from the chart. And that's how we add a background image to a Tradingview chart. With these simple steps, we can make our charts more personalized and visually useful.